taking photos? Take a photo. Take a photo. This one. Just put this one.
To make a video, that's not a photo.
Yeah, because the quality of it is. I can take a photo with this. Quality is nice. Like that, oh. Come, because then the view is nice. Come. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hi guys, we are checked in here at BAIYOKE Sky Hotel on the 56th floor, and this is one of their biggest rooms. They have the dining area, the living room, the bed, and look, this is the best part. Hala, I will put this. I don't know. Hi guys, so it's already 5:35 and we are gonna go outside because this guy is gonna shop till he drops. Yeah right.
Just a moment, sir.
Wait. Going down, yes. Thank you. Why are you not answering? Crazy person.
Because look what the voice.
Wait. This guy.
If I doesn't understand you,
Crazy.
you're crazy.
You really didn't understand?
No.
Or you were just playing around?
What? Speak it out clearly.
Hi guys, we are already outside. It's his first time going to the Platinum Market and going to the Platinum Mall. This is already the Platinum Night Market. It's starting already. That one. Are you excited? Take a photo from here so you have a documentation. So we're gonna take you along with us. It's raining, but it's fine. Oh, your cigarette. I'm gonna go on the other side.
What do you want? Samla,
Maybe it's not allowed to smoke. How about these are the Muslim dresses? Oh, like this, ba? No, I will just ask you, so I know. Like this, you are good. Because I saw something like this.
it's okay, so but the design is like.
Ah, you don't like the design, but the how long it is, it's
Yeah.
okay.
This
Okay.
is you alone.
Whoa. Whoa. Allah wants me na rito. Uy, what are you looking? That's for old people.
Yeah, I just look in general what they are for things having here. So
Oh, there's still another side, haba. There on the another side.
just annoying, just like crazy knocking on the door. So he was just trying to make it stress. I don't know, he was drunk or anything. Any stupid guy.
Okay.